Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by examining the transparent bottle closely for cracks, delamination, or failed seals. Remove cap and any sleeves, then rinse and dry. Use rubbing alcohol to degrease the repair area so adhesive bonds. Sand the surface lightly with 400-600 grit to create mechanical grip. Wipe clean. If the damage is a seam or small crack, apply a thin bead of food-safe silicone adhesive. Clamp or tape to hold alignment. Work steadily to ensure no gaps remain. Once the adhesive sets enough to hold, build up additional thin layers to reinforce the seam. Patience here prevents future failure. Apply each layer after previous cure to avoid runs and feather edges with fine sandpaper for a smooth finish. For larger breaches, add a patch of compatible plastic or flexible tape underneath first, then seal over it. Make sure to keep the bottle upright during curing and avoid heat sources. After full cure, inspect for pinholes and repeat sealing if necessary. You finish by filling the bottle partially and applying normal hand pressure to test the repair. Look for slow seepage or air bubbles. If you find leaks, drain, re-clean with alcohol, sand, and reapply adhesive concentrating on the failing spot. If threads or cap seals cause leaks, replace the O-ring or cap. Sometimes that solves the issue without redoing the patch. Troubleshooting tip. If repairs keep failing, the bottle material may be delaminating or stressed. Replace the bottle to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.